Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Let us solve another problem with the name of DGY loves chessboard, and it is in the Codeforces on hashtag 254 division 2. I hope all of you read the problem. DGY loves chessboard and he enjoys playing with it. He has a chessboard of n rows and m columns. Some cells of the chessboard are bad and others are good. And for good cell, he puts in a chessman, and each chessman is either white or black. After putting the all chessmen, with DJY wants that no two chessmen with the same color are on two adjacent cells, right? Your task is to find the suitable placement of chessmen on the given chessboard, and the input is n and m, and you have given dot and hyphen mark, and dot is considered for good place and hyphen mark is considered for bad place. Let us understand with the example. Let us assume that you have given all the good places like this one. And how will you feel with means black or white? Then how will you first initially you simply take black, and two adjacents are not same, right? Then you have only one option white, then you have only black, and two adjacents are, so we can't fill it the second position with black because two adjacents are not same only. Then we fill white, black, white, then black, white, black, right? And this is the approach, means you have to think in this direction, right? Then how will you think? Like, this is the way you have to fill. Means if you are given a dot good good places, good cells, then you simply fill with alternate way. Like this is filling with alternate. If suppose I'm this is 5, then how will you fill? Black, white, black, white, sorry, black, white, then this will black, black. Means you are filling black with alternate numbers 1, 1, 3 and 5, or in the index, or if we talk in the indexing, then this one 0, 2 and 4. Similarly, you see the cell 0, 1, 2. You are filling in alternate way, right? And this will implement in the code. We are going to implement this thing in the code. How? Like suppose when you will fill black and when you fill white, this is your grid. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Then how will you fill black, white, black, white, black, black? Oh, sorry, white, black, white, black, right? Then you see this is your ith index and this is your jth index. Black when will we fill with the B? In the condition, what will you write? If your string of I means it. I'm not writing code, I'm just writing pseudocode. Okay? If your I even and j even, right? 0, 0, 2, 0, and in this case 2, 0, in this case 2, means all the time even, right? And if you think about this, right, this one for 1, 1 means odd के लिए भी आपका ये केस फॉलो करेगा. I is equal to odd, j is equal to odd, right? If your I and j even, I and j odd, then you fill black. And you have to think if this should be always present. If this is, we can't fill with the B, right? So this is 3 conditions you have to add for black. And next about white, when you fill else condition, simply in this, if odd even ho or even odd ho, both are condition, so both are the, in both the condition we simply fill white, and here also you will to focus, it should be present, dot should be present to fill any cell, right? If then simply you fill, right? This is our code. This is a very simple question, guys. Now see the code portion, right? I make a vector of string str and I put I take the input as a string, as the input already told in the question how we will take, and I fill it in the vector and simply iterate. If a string of, let's see, string of I, then we simply same make the hyphen time sign again. And in the second test case, see this condition. If I or j is equal to even, or I or j is equal to 1, means both are odd and both are even. And third condition, don't forget to third condition, because it is only applicable when this condition is true. This condition, right? And else both the condition odd even, then you simply write str of, and don't forget to, because this condition is very important in every case, then cout white. Why I don't write odd or, because all the cases left are simply odd and even, because I initially write all the condition means both odd and even simply in the first, and if this is not present then we write simply. This is very simple case. Thank you everyone.